like to talk about heroin. Heroin is a drug synthesized from morphine and usually taken through injection or snorting. Once heroin is inside the body, it binds with opioid receptors in charge of pain and pleasure. It suppresses the production of pain and increases the production of pleasure, and through the biochemical process, results in the desired effect of a sense of rush, which allows the user to feel rapid and fast and just feel as if they can conquer the world. Many curious folks, such as college students and ambitious workers, may seek this drug in order to increase productivity and, in most cases, have fun. However, with this desired effect come undesirable effects. In the short term, a user may experience severe itching, dry mouth, nausea and vomiting, as well as cases of clouded mental functioning which prevent them from thinking thoroughly. If the user decides to develop a long-term relationship with the drug, they may experience long-term effects such as infection of heart valves, heart lining, diseases of kidneys, liver, and brain, insomnia, and in most cases mental disorders. But the list doesn't just end there. There are a few other effects that may occur over the course of time that become irreversible and oftentimes lethal. Associated with heroin, there are risks. These risks are having an untrustworthy product. You see, dealers sometimes try chipping off users by using additives such as powdered milk, powdered cement, starch, and powdered sugar in order to play it off as heroin. If the user unknowingly buys it and injects it, they may clog blood vessels that prevent blood to the lungs, brain, and heart, which may be lethal and may result in immediate hospitalization. If the user is unfortunate, they may accidentally be purchasing fentanyl. Fentanyl is 100%, way 100% more stronger than any type of drug, and even the smallest dose is enough to put someone in an overdose that is lethal, or hospitalize them, or even worse, may result in death. Other risks may be the higher risk of contracting HIV and hepatitis from using the same or sharing needles, and getting an easier form of dependency on the drug, since heroin is highly addictive and requires that the user uses more frequent uses of the drug in higher amounts. Some consequences of the drug are one, that the effects are almost irreversible and permanent, and even if some of them are reversible, well, they become difficult to come out of, because you see, heroin is a very addictive drug, and like mentioned before, it actually may force the user to use it as like a basic need, such as like drinking water or like eating food or breathing air. So, if you or someone close to you is experiencing or developing a dependency for heroin and or any illicit substances, please act now. Seek immediate medical consultation and or psychological consultation, because remember, it's always better safe than sorry.